Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do some counting. We are going to do some numeral recognition, and we are also going to build some skyscrapers. Have you guys ever heard that word skyscraper before? You might have heard it before. It means a building that is so tall that it looks like it's almost touching the sky. And I have a picture of one right here. See, those are some tall buildings, and then this one is way tall. Now, this is a skyscraper in New York City. New York City has a lot of skyscrapers, a lot of really tall buildings. But the tallest building in the whole world is called the Burj Khalifa, and it's a building in Dubai, which is in a country called the United Arab Emirates. It's across the whole ocean, and a bunch more land is pretty far away from here, and it is almost 3,000 feet tall. That is a tall building. Now, we're gonna build a building today. I used Legos. You could also use blocks. I labeled mine with a marker. If your mom and dad don't want you to label them with a marker, that's okay. You could put a little piece of tape or a little piece of paper, or you could just count out 20 blocks and just build with them. You don't have to have the numbers on them. But for mine, I made them have numbers from 1 all the way up to 20. And we're gonna mix them up, and then we're gonna put them back together to build the Burj Khalifa in our own homes. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. All right, let's see where Dubai and this really tall building live in the world. Here is our map of the world, and we can see that we live right here in the United States of America. We live kind of right by here by the Atlantic Ocean. And we've got a whole big Atlantic Ocean, and the country we're talking about today is kind of small and kind of far away. United Arab Emirates, that little tiny green one right there. So it's pretty far away. So how would we get there? We'd have to go across an ocean and a bunch of land. So we could take a boat, sure, right? It could go all the way around through the oceans, but I think that would take a long time. How else could we get there? Yeah, we could fly. We could fly all the way straight to Dubai. Great job. All right, guys, ready to fly? Let's go. All right, I'm coming in for a landing in Dubai. Let's do it. Great job. Welcome. All right, guys, we are ready to build. So I've got my Lego blocks in line, and I have them starting with number 1, but they're not in order. So we're going to have to find them and put them in order, and we're going to build them from 1 up to 10. That's how we're going to start. So let's see. Number 1 is right here. It's this big yellow one. Let's see if we can find one that says number 2. Does anyone see one that says number 2? Oh, there it is. It's another big yellow one. Perfect. Number 2. All right, that's easy. All right, who can find number 3? 3 is a little tricky to see. Oh, there it is. It's in this red one. Number 3. We'll put number 3 right in the middle on top. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now, let's see where our next one is going to be. We need, what's the next one after 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty easy too. Where could 4 be? Oh, there it is. Number 4, it's blue. Let's look at it up close. Good job. Let's put it on top of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got it. We got to find number 5. Oh. Another blue one, but this one is big. Number 5. All right, after 5 is kind of a tricky one sometimes. It is number 6. Now, 6 can be tricky for some of our friends because it kind of looks like another number, like number 9. So let's see. Oh, I see this one and this one. Which one is it? Let's see. It's this one. You're right. This is number 6. Good job. Let's put it right on top. All right. The next one is, oh, I was touching it. The next one is, what number is that? 7. All right. We've got up to 7. Time for number 8. Which one is 8? The blue one. You got it. We'll put it right on top. All right. Number 9. Oh, yep. It's that tricky one. Yeah, remember sometimes it kind of reminds us of 6, but it's number 9. Good job. And our last one, number 10. We've got it, a 1 and a 0. Good job, guys. Look how high we've already built it. I don't know if it's a skyscraper yet, but it's on its way. Are you guys ready to take a little movement break? Me too. Near the United Arab Emirates, where Dubai is and where the tall building Burj Khalifa is, there are deserts where camels live. So I was thinking today it might be fun for us to do a camel walk, kind of like how we could do a bear crawl or other kind of animal walks. We could do a camel walk. So the first thing we have to do is we have to put humps on our back because camels have 2 humps on their back. Let's do it. 1, 2. All right, are you guys ready? Me too. Let's find a space where you can kind of crawl around and you're not going to bump into your brothers or sisters or your pets or any furniture. Okay? And let's take one big circle around the room and then bring our camels all the way back here. You ready to go? All right. All right, guys, this is how we're going to walk like a camel. We're going to take our hands and put them on the ground. Then we're going to put our feet on the ground and we're going to put our middle part in the air. And then we're going to walk around our room and come back to here. This is how we're going to be. Like this, and then we can walk. We can walk forward, and we can walk backwards. All right, guys, take a lap around your room. Come meet me back here, and we'll get ready to build more. Great camel walking, guys. All right, let's get back to building. We've got to get this building all the way up to the sky. Now, we stopped at number 10, and I put out the next 5, and these are some of our trickiest numbers between 10 and 20, because sometimes their names, they don't give us the same kind of sounds like 14 and 17 and 18 where we hear the number. These ones sound a little bit different. So let's review them real quick. We have 11. Good job. This one is 15. Good job. Yep, I see that. 1 and a 5. This one's kind of an easier one. 14. Great. This one can be tricky too. 13. Let me hear you guys say 13. Good. And this one also sounds different. It's 12. All right, now we're going to put them in order. So the first one we need after 10 is, you're right, 11. You got it. So we're going to add it right on top. And then after 11 comes number 12. Yes, it does. And another way we can remember is it's a 1 and a 1, and then a 1 and a 2, just like when we count regularly. All right. 11, 12, 13. You've got it. These ones are not tricking you at all. And after 13 comes 14. Yep. And then 14. Oh, we've got one more left. What is it again? 15. Let's put it up top. Wow, this is already getting really tall, but we've got a few more numbers to do. Let's see what they are. Oh, 16. What number is this? 17. Good job. Oh, and we've got 3 more left. What number is this? Who can tell me? Say it loud. 18. Good job. Put it right up there. Oh, this one can get us sometimes. Yep, that's a 9. 19. Oh, and the very last one. 20. Great job. Guys, you built a skyscraper all the way up to the sky, just like the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Great job. See you next time.